with our Hold Me Down Adhesive Skin Guard by Erica J. Not sponsored, but I love her glue. So hold on, let me go ahead. I spray too much because as y'all can see, look, it's like lifting. So I don't want to do too much and spray too much, and then it just rolls back because it gets wet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go from afar, cover my eyes, and I'm gonna just go in and just mist spray that. Let me go ahead. I did my little dot right there, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and go on the hairline. And I got my popsicle stick. I love using, and I just brush it down in a downward motion. And I'm gonna go in with another layer. I love using the popsicle stick because it doesn't get sticky. Like, it's not sticking, you know. When I used to use the back of this, like the rat tail comb, it would stick. So glue is clear. Y'all see it's clear, it's not white, it's clear. And even though this little white piece right here, that is gonna dry clear, trust me. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make sure we're like aligning it right and not too far back. And we're gonna go ahead and just place this thing on your head. So when I do place it on my head, you don't want to use your fingers because your fingers have a lot of oils in it, and it could just make it tacky or just not make it stick at all. Like, so you want to go in with something else. I like to just go in with the back of the rat tail comb. Sometimes I'll do this part. So I got my elastic band, and it does have the Velcro straps on the end. So I'm about to actually, hold on, before I do this, let me actually just pin my hair up or something so that I could get it right. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead, let me put my elastic band on. All right, so we're gonna take these clips down. Even though I was liking that look, it was cute. But anyway, we're gonna take these clips down and we're gonna start putting mousse on all of the hair. And yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and put mousse on all my hair so that when I cut my it's pretty, so it could be pretty much styled already. So then when I go ahead and cut the lace, all I gotta do is cut my baby hairs, and you know, I'll be good to go. I need a wide tooth comb. Why am I doing that with a brush? All right, y'all, so I'm loving this look. So I do want to just go in with this little piece right here with my hot comb. And actually what I need to do is part that out and section it so that I could straighten it in sections so I could get it down. So it's not even that, it's the closure. So let's go ahead and go in. So I see why it's more flat on the other side, and that's because I plucked it more over there. So we not hot combing the whole thing, just the roots, so we could get it down so it won't be no lump in my head. So I'm probably gonna cut the lace off camera, but I did want to go ahead and show y'all. And again, don't worry about this, we're gonna fix that. But yeah, so I do want to show y'all that I do use a razor to cut my lace. You could use whatever you want to use. If you use scissors or if you use the razor, whatever you use, hey, whatever. So I do use the razor, and when I use it, I turn it this way and I cut outward like that, like, if that makes sense. So instead of not cutting this way but this way, because you don't want to cut this way and then you start cutting off your hair, or you cut off too much of the lace, or you cut off your edges, and then when you take your wig off you ain't got no hair, and then you be sitting around looking crazy, you know. So you want to go this way. But I do want to get really close to the mirror. It's kind of gliding already, so I don't know, we'll see. All right, so I went ahead and I parted out my my edges. It look crazy right here, called overplugged, but y'all, again, I'm gonna fix that. So I part out my edges. What I'm gonna do is just comb them down, and then I have my mini flat iron, y'all. I'm in love with this thing. I'm trying to think if I should part out some more. Let me see. But either way I go, I just like to go in with my mini flat iron and straighten it before I curl it. So all right, so what I'm gonna do is cut with these scissors. Don't mind the way I cut, your girl is left-handed. I really think if I should cut some more. Let me see. Yeah, let me part out a little bit more, just like right here. I cut a little and then I pulled out a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do the same thing. So that is the end look for this hair, you guys. I'm so in love. Don't forget to check the description box below to see the exact link to this hair from Wignee. Again, thank you for this 24-inch loose wave wig. And don't forget to check down below. And also, don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Give your girl a thumbs up. Y'all already know what time it is. And thank you for tuning in.